Hello everyone, welcome to my video on how to connect SATA hard disk to motherboard inside PC. In this video, you will learn various types of hard drive interfaces, how to connect power socket to SATA hard disk, how to connect data cable from SATA hard disk to motherboard of PC, and the actual demonstration of connecting SATA hard disk to motherboard. There are various types of hard drive interfaces. First is PATA, PATA, that is Parallel Advanced Technology Attachment. Under this PATA interface, there are again two well-known interfaces, that is IDE interface, means Integrated Drive Electronics, and Enhanced IDE. So both are under the PATA interface. Second type is serial ATA, that is called as SATA, that is Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. Currently this interface is popularly used within desktop. Third is Small Computer System Interface, that is SCSI. So this hard drive is faster in operation and costly than previous two, which are used generally in the server type of computers. Fourth is solid state drive, that is SSD. So this is used in laptops to save the space. These are the images of various types of hard drives. First is IDE hard drive. This is SATA hard disk drive. This is SCSI hard disk drive, and this is SSD hard disk drive. So the four major types of hard disk drives in the market are available, and these are some sample images of these hard disk drives. Now let us focus on SATA hard disk drive and how to connect to motherboard. For connecting SATA hard disk drive to motherboard, we require SATA hard disk drive, then SATA data cable, which is connected between SATA hard disk and motherboard. Third is SATA power connector. So this power connector is available with SMPS. It looks like this. It is connected to SATA hard disk drive. Then on motherboard, the SATA connectors are there. You can see this red color connector where we are connecting this SATA data cable. The connections will be like this, that is hard disk drive is there, then the SATA power cable is connected here in this slot, and SATA data cable is connected in this slot. Let us go further detail in connections. So this is the SATA hard drive, and now both connectors are connected here. This red color SATA data cable is connected to the hard disk, and SATA power cable is connected to the hard disk. Within motherboard, within the PC cabinet, there is SMPS, and this SMPS is providing various types of power connectors. Out of that, this is the flat type of connector, which is SATA power connector, and this SATA power connector is connected to SATA hard disk. Then on motherboard, there is SATA connector, so which is indicated here in the red color, and this SATA data cable is connected here on the motherboard. Now let us see the actual demo how to connect SATA hard disk to motherboard. So this is the desktop rear side, and now I am going to demonstrate you how to connect internal hard disk to the motherboard inside desktop PC. So for that, first of all, you have to remove these screws, then remove this panel. Panel is removed now. You can see this is the inside view of our desktop PC. So this is the motherboard, and on this motherboard, this is the hard disk, and the hard disk is connected through this orange color cable to the motherboard. This is the power cable which is connected to which is coming from SMPS. This is the SMPS. Now I will remove this first of all and then show you one by one. So this is the hard disk. You can see here this is the SATA type of hard disk, and here this is the view of the back side where we can connect it to the motherboard. So there are two notches or slots, you can say. This is one slot which is used to connect the data cable to motherboard, and this is another slot which is used to connect or provide the power supply to this hard disk from SMPS. So first of all, let us connect the power cord or power cable. So you can see here many power connectors are there available with SMPS, and out of that you have to choose the flat type of power connector which is specially designed for the SATA type of devices. So this is the power connector used to connect to the SATA devices. Let us connect it to the SATA hard disk drive. So this is the power connector I am going to connect now. Here insert gently. So like this, the power supply is provided through this SATA power connector to the hard disk. Now this is the another cable I am going to connect, that is the SATA data cable. It has two ends, and you can see here both ends are similar. One end you have to connect to the hard disk and another end you will connect to the motherboard. So first of all, let us connect to the motherboard side. So here you can see this red color sockets are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 means you can connect maximum 4 SATA hard disks or hard drives or SATA devices with this SATA cable. So I will insert this any one of the, you can start from the first one. So like this I have inserted this one end of SATA cable, this orange color cable, to the motherboard. Now from motherboard, this is the next end. This is the next end, that is another end of your SATA data cable. I am going to connect to the hard drive. So here besides this power connector slot, there is the slot for connecting SATA data cable. I will insert this gently. Yes, now the hard disk is connected to the motherboard. So in this way you can connect your hard disk to the motherboard through this data cable, and the power supply to the SATA hard disk is given to this power socket which is coming from the SMPS. Thank you for watching my video on how to connect SATA hard disk drive to motherboard.